no, psichiatrico.
I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left these scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes was not on the flash of the neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs, but voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Oh, sweetheart, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and all around. Oh, silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon garden maid, and the sight flashed out each morning in the words that it was for me, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whisper the sound of silence.
Bravo.
Bravo.